So you can see the window flag. That means uh, when the player is got transferred, like in the summer window or the winter window, you can see most of them are summer and then winter. And in squad means if that player is actually in the squad for that particular team, that is Manchester United, how many matches the player in squad, 54, 50, like this. Then appearance, as I said earlier, appearance means is the player actually played in the match as a first 11 player or as a substitute. And the number of goals he scored, then number of minutes played. So this is quite similar to the squad data. But the main interesting factor is here you can see the all types of transfer update in the data set. So yeah, this is the transfer data. Then going to the next is yeah, I am also use this team's data, that is Nigeria League 2023, and this Nigeria Professional Football League, sorry, Premier Football League, whatever. Uh, you can see the table for the match day 38. So you can see that which team is hitting the champion in the year 2023. So here you can see, um, yeah, this table. So from this table, you can see uh, the team Enugu Rangers were champion because with the point 70 and with 21 matches won. So for the year 2023, we have our champion team. And for our champion team, if I need to check the squad, you can also check that. That is, I am checking using TM squad stat function and team URL equal to Nigeria League 2023 30. So why 30? Because if we run this, um, you will see at the 13th position, this champion team names is appearing, right? Enugu Rangers. So that's why I am taking the number 13. And then if you run, you will get the squad results, sorry, the squad statistics or the squad whatever of the champion team of 2023. That is yes, please. So you can see the team name, league name, then country, and the player name, player of the country, player position, player age. Sorry, this is the nationality of the player. In squad, appearance, goals, and how many minutes they have played in that particular league. Yeah. So this is how you can analyze your football team's performance, football team's squad values, transfer, anything you can do using this beautiful library or art package called Football Art. Yeah. So any question till now, or I will move ahead. Okay. I think no question. Okay. So the next one is the statistical analysis. So after you get the data, you need to do some statistical analysis. So for that, I have done some very simple statistical analysis on the champion team of Nigerian Football League on the year 2023. So I want to know who is the top scorer so for that team. So I am just taking this data, then filter goals equal to maximum of goals. That means who has scored the maximum number of goals. And then pull the player name. If I run this, you can see the top scorer. So that is Godwin Obach. So he is the top scorer for his club, Enugu Rangers, in the year 2023. That is very, useful in case of any analysis or any statistical report. Uh, if you want to publish some report on matches, on as a whole, the performance of the team, that who is the top scorer, who is the best performer of the team. This is how you can use your data. And in R programming, you can use just few lines of code to just have your data ready. Sorry, you have your result ready. Then the most played, that means which player has played most number of times or most number of minutes. For this, I have taken filter minutes played equal to maximum of minutes played. Then select the three columns, that is player name, player position, and player age. And also I will take another column that is minutes played. Minutes played. And if we run this, you can see this is the player. Uh, Pardon me if I pronounce it wrongly. It is Ifeani Oniabuchi. He is a center back and his age is 23 and 3,156 minutes he has played for his team in the year 2023 in the league, Nigeria. So this is how you can uh, do the analysis using the transfer market data, right? So till now, any question? Or I will go to the next topic. It is very useful and interesting topic. Next one is that how you can actually calculate the strength of any football team in a particular league. So for that, I will briefly tell you the actual story of how to you can calculate the strength. Okay, it is a very mathematical way, but I will just tell you the in a very layman terms so that you can understand without any mathematical notation or expression. So in any football league, you may want to know that who is the best, like who is the best team among the league, right? So, or you can also want to know that the highest ranked team. That means which team has the highest rank. So this is the question every time arises in a particular league of any country. So for India's ISL, I have calculated or I have built a model that is Bradley Terry model. It is a machine learning, or you can say just a statistical model on the league matches data. Okay. So the thing is that like uh, you may wonder that for a particular season, who is actually the best team? So I don't mean just who at the top of the table, but who is statistically the strongest? That is my question. And especially if some teams have not played each other equally. So in C, you may notice in some of the league, in the EPL, you can notice that uh, the last or the bottom three teams will be relegated to the second division, and then new three teams will be promoted to the next season. That means for each year, you may not face same team, right? But you want to know who is the best. So there is the catch, and there is the solution for one beautiful model by two scientists, Bradley and Terry. They have built the model, a simple model but yet powerful way to rank teams based on the match outcome. So imagine this: for each ISL team has an invisible strength score. When two teams play, the probability of one beating the other depends on the relative strength. Right? Because stronger team will definitely beat the weaker team. It is a, well-known factor. But in some cases, you may see that surprising performance may happen, that weaker team has beaten the stronger team. It is a very unfortunate event for the stronger team, but it happens in every football match, in every football league. It happens. This is not any unrealistic thing. It happens. But the battery Terry model gives us a way to estimate this hidden strength using the actual match result. So it works like this. When team A is stronger than B, then it is very common sense that it should win more often as it is stronger side. If they are equally strong, the chance is 50-50, right? So any team can win anytime. And the more one-sided the result, the greater the estimated gap in strength. That means if a team is dominating the other, that means there is a very huge gap in terms of strength between the two teams. So in simple terms, more wins that is equals to high strength. Okay, and that the beauty is the way it compares all teams together, adjusting for the strength of opponents. So suppose team A is playing with 20 different teams, and 20 different teams has 20 different strengths. So this model actually very carefully tackle this thing, adjusting the strength of the outcome opponent. Because as I said earlier, not all teams play the same opponent at the same time, and some matches go to extra time or penalty, right? The tiebreaker, whatever I have told in terms of knockout matches, and the score line does not always reflect the true dominance. Suppose one team has beaten another team by one goal, but the thing is, in actually, the team who is lost, they have out outplayed, like they have brilliant, but they could not score the goal. That is the situation when this model will actually do the best thing. So let it apply in our ISL data. Okay. Yeah. So first, I will load the ISL data. So the ISL data is looking like this. We have a date column, then venue, then home team, then away team, then home team score, away team score, then home team scorer name, and, and the time or the minutes that player has scored. Then the away team scorer. So this is 3 nil because there is no away scorer, 0. So that is NA. That's it. This is a very simple data. Okay, date, venue, home team score, away team score, and the scorer name and the time of the scorer time. That's it. So from this data, we first manipulate the data. So first, we will create another data set like DAT. That is, we are taking only the we are taking first column and third, fourth, fifth, and sixth column, and then taking the distinct, and we are not interested to take the date, so we removed it. So once remove the date, we have these many records: home team, away team, home team score, away team score. That's all. So this Atletico de Kolkata, Mumbai City, 3 and 0. Then the next one, Northeast United, Kerala Cluster, 1, 0. Like this. Okay. And then we will calculate that the result. So what is result? Result means uh, so there is we know we will actually create another column where we will see that the winner and the opponent, two columns. Like in this data, we want to see another two columns that will actually show us winner and opponent. Like here, the winner is Atletico de Kolkata. So in this column, we will have Atletico de Kolkata, and the opponent have Mumbai City FC. Similarly, for this one, the 10th row, here FC Goa is the home team and Atletico de Kolkata is the away team. But in this case, the away team wins. So our here, the winner column, we will have Atletico de Kolkata, not FC Goa, like this. So let's quickly run this and we will have our data ready. Yeah, you have our data ready. That is results. As you can see, winner opponent, winner factor, and opponent factor. Yeah. So for the Bradley model, we have to make it a factor variable. So that's why I just put winner as win fact and opponent as win fact based on the level. Okay. So this is the our data ready for that to fit the model, and then we will pass these data into the model. So the model is basically BTM. So BTM means Bradley-Terry model. You can okay. So for this, we have to use this package. I will show you the package name. Yeah, Bradley-Terry 2. This is the package name you can use for the Bradley-Terry model. Okay. And once you have loaded the package, you have this function BTM, and then outcome is equal to 1 into n row of results, and then winner factor and opponent factor, and data is result. So your model is ready now. Okay, I need to call the BTM. Sorry. Yeah, so you can see your model is uh, run. So you need to see the summary of the model. So this is the summary. You can see the coefficients. So what's the coefficient? The coefficients are the team's name actually. So you can see Northeast United FC, Chennai FC, Mumbai City, Delhi Dynamos, then Mohun Bagan, Punjab FC, etc. And the estimated coefficient, then standard deviation, Z value, P value. But here you notice one thing, the one team is missing. So why the team is missing? Because that team is actually the baseline team. So the first team, so the first level of the data was Atletico de Kolkata, right? You check here, it is the first data or the first club in the in this order actually in the winner factor variable. So that is why uh, this club or this team is automatically considered as the baseline team. So, but you want to check or you want to set some another team as your baseline team. You can do that. So how we can do? You just need to update your model. So here I just updated our model. That is model 2 equal to update this model, and then refcat. What is refcat? Refcat means reference category. So reference category, I just put the other team name, that is Mohun Bagan Super Giant. So now this model will be built based on the base variable or the baseline team as Mohun Bagan Super Giant. So if I run this model 2, and now if I check the summary of model 2, you will see the result. You can see this Atletico de Kolkata is coming, but not the Mohun Bagan, because now the Mohun Bagan team is being baseline. Okay, so you can use any of this team as your baseline based on your analysis. I am using Mohun Bagan as the baseline for my analysis, so it will be very easier to compare the other teams actually. So once the model 2 is built, we need to calculate the strength. So strength is basically the exponential of the coefficient estimates. Like, sorry. So for Atletico de Kolkata, the strength is e to the power exponential of this value. That is why I have actually written here. So first, I will take the model coefficients, then make it as data frame. So you can see here one by one. Right. Yeah. So you can see this team name and the model coefficients. Okay. Then I am row names to column and then variable team. And you can see the team name is coming here and the coefficients are coming here. Next one is, as I already told you, Here we are taking Mohan Bagan as the baseline. So we will set the coefficients of Mohan Bagan as 0. Okay. This so I am just adding one row using this add row function, and the team name is Mohan Bagan Supergiant, and the model coefficient value is 0. So we have one extra column with this Mohan Bagan. Okay, it is not coming here. Um, so okay, so it is not showing. Yes, so here you can see Mohan Bagan is showing 0. Okay. Now the next step is we are calculating the strength. So we have adding one column, that is strength column, and the strength column is nothing but exponential of the model coefficient. And I am taking it is at the I am rounding off the values up to 3 decimal places. And then you can already see that there is a dot dot is appearing at the beginning of the each team. So we don't need this. So I remove that thing. This dot dot extra dot dot thing that is unnecessarily appearing, and then select team and strength, and then arrange the team strength using descending order, and we will get our actual strength variable. So here you can see Mohan Bagan at the top, because Mohan Bagan's baseline is 0 and e to the power 0 is 1. So the strength of Mohan Bagan team is 1, and all the other teams are below 1. So that means Mohan Bagan is the best team in the ISL, or you can say in the India. So actually, Mohan Bagan is the oldest football club, oldest Asian football club, sorry, and Mohan Bagan is the also best club in India in any respect. Number of trophies, number of matches won. So in any respect, it is the best club. Okay. So let's get back to our analysis. Yeah. So once we have this strength matrix, we need to visualize it. So how we can visualize? So here actually I am using some colorful themes for visualization. So you will see that every team has its own color, like their jersey color, their club logos have the unique color that will reflect in the jerseys as well. So I have taken the colors. I mean, there are two colors. One is primary, one is secondary, or there might be two primary colors. I mean, there is shade between two colors like that. So this is the thing I have actually did. Uh, I have chosen the color one and color two, and I just put the color hex code of the color. Sorry, uh, are you saying something? Sorry, I am not getting you. Actually. Can you tell me again?
Is that the problem? I can hear some underground voice.
Okay, okay. Can I continue?
You can continue, please.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So as you can see, there are two colors for two colors, or maybe one primary, one secondary color for a team, for a club. I am using the same thing here for color one, color two. I am using the hex color code of each of the teams, primary and secondary. Then I am using logos. So logos basically the abbreviation of the each and every teams. That is MBSG for Mohun Bagan, MCFC for Mumbai City, VFC for Bengaluru FC, like this. And then team logos. So team logos actually I have, if you see here, I have already downloaded the team logos here. Okay, all the team logos. Like if I open this, you can see the Mohun Bagan team logos. And similarly for Bengaluru FC, you can see this. So all these files I have downloaded and kept in this file, this folder actually, logos folder. And then I am actually adding some additional columns for the ggplot. Okay, as we will use ggplot. So here is the gradient start because there will be two color tone or two gradient color in that particular bar plot. We will do the bar plot for the strength. So the first color is color one or call one, then gradient end is call two, and orientation is horizontal. That means it will shade the color horizontally, not vertically. And the logos is the team logos. So team logos is basically the path of the logos for each and every team, for all the 15 teams. Then comes the final plot. So first I will take the data set strength. Then in the aesthetic, the X column will be team and strength. Actually, the X-axis will be team, not strength. But I am reordering the team based on the strength. So I will use the reorder function. And Y is the strength. And then team is team. Then geom bar pattern. So I am using geom bar pattern because I will use the gradient color to the left and right. You can see the primary color in the left and the secondary color in the right, or vice versa. There is a gradient thing that will be, I mean, that will show. Eventually, you can see it. So this is the first thing I am running. Okay, and the parent, sorry, pattern orientation is orient. So orient is actually I am putting horizontal, so it will show the horizontal. Then stat identity, pattern gradient, color black. Color means the border of the bar. So if you just run this part, you will see the okay, I need to run. Okay, I did not run this thing. This column one, column two logos and everything. So now, yeah, now you will see. Yeah, it will take time. Yeah. So here you can see the bar plot is coming. As you can see, the Mohan Bagan is the best team as in terms of the strength value. So it will has the highest bar. Then East Bengal is the lowest. Then the other club is there. But do not consider this legend. Okay, this does not make sense. I will remove it. So the next one is I will click the coordinate because this chart plot does not make any sense because the names are actually overlapping. So I put the bar plot and in the horizontal way. So I flip the coordinate. Then I use the scale X district name equal to null and labels equal to strength of logo. So what is this? This is actually instead of the name of the team, I will use their logo, right? So if I run this, you will see, but you will not see actual logo as of now because the next thing will, yeah. So here you can see the logos is not coming. Why? Because this is the path of the, I mean, path of the logo, not the actual logo. And this is the team strength as I already told you. But still here, these team names and this thing is coming. This is not the correct way. Again, we are increasing. So let's see. Now, uh, here I am just putting the legend position equal to none. So that means we don't want any legend. That is done. Next is text. The element text is family copy. So that is for the Google font. Sorry, the font of the plot. So you can ignore it or you can keep it as it is, as you wish. Then the axis title Y, it is element text. I am enlarging the axis of Y, X, then plot title. So plot title I already, I use it later, but here I am just setting the values of the plot title. That is size will be 25, age will be 0.5. That means it will be at the center of the plot. Then face is bold. Then again for subtitle, similar thing I have did. I have done For plot caption, same thing. And for X axis text Y, I am putting element markdown. So what is element markdown? So element markdown will actually incorporate the path of the logo and it will convert it to the logo. So this is the very important function. And then next is geom text aesthetic label equal to round of strength 2. So in the each of the bar, beside of each of the bar, you will see the strength value. So this is why I use geom text in the label strength and it just is in the right hand side and size is 6.5 as you can see. It is your choice of it. Then there is the horizontal line. So there I will put a line here that will show the horizontal line with the y-intercept 0, color black, and line with 1. And then the actual title, subtitle, x-axis, y-axis, and caption. So completely when you run this, you will see the actual plot. Okay, actual plot is done, and you just need to run it again. This is the plot. So, this is see, there is some warning message coming. You can ignore this. Yeah. Let me. Sorry. Yeah. So here you can see the actual. So you can ignore the warning as of now. So this is the font issue. Yeah. So everyone, I think you can see now the plot that is Mohan Bagan, top of the team, top of the league as well. They have the back-to-back champion of the ISL. And then followed by Mumbai City, Bengaluru FC, Goa, ATK, Jamshedpur, Kerala, and all their strength values are showing here, right? And you can see the caption, title here, subtitle here, and caption. So this is a full analysis of a football league or whatever you can say. In any league, you can do this on your own because this is our ultimate target to visualize something in front of the audience, in front of the coach, layman, people, so that they will understand from the visualization because most of the people do not understand the math, do not understand the statistics behind each and every data science or any analytics job or any analysis, whatever you are doing. Only the professional will understand and know the analysis. But yeah, for the people from not knowledgeable in the data science field or the statistics field, they should look for these kind of stunning visualizations. From then, they will see they can say that who is the best team and who is the least perform team. So that's all from my end. And yeah, if you have any question, you can ask. Or we can wrap up. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, yes. I will share the article. Each and every code I will share uh, with Dr. Timothy, and he will share. And I will also share the GitHub link as well, so you can just um, take all the codes from the GitHub link.
Yes, you're correct. No problem. We're going to share the scripts and the recording to all our platforms so that people have access to it and practice more. Well done. Are you done?
Yes.
Yes, we're going to share everything. We're going to share everything
Yes.
free of charge,
Mhm.
excluding the certificates. Are you done? Are you done?
Sorry?
Are you done? Are you through?
Yes, I have done. I am done.
Okay. So can we give room for questions now? Anybody with questions, please? Do you have any question, please? You are free to ask questions, please.
Yes, if you have any question, you can
Please,
ask
if
me.
you have any question, you can ask, please. We'll create group, we'll create link for now for the questions now. We'll try to allow you to unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself and ask questions. If you have any question, you are free to do that. We are going to share the recording video and also the code through all our platforms after this class.
Yes, I just shared the GitHub link of this entire analysis, so you can find the code there.
Okay. So, is there any question, please? Any question from anybody? Okay. If there's no question, I think on this note, we need to call it a day by appreciating our prayer speaker. So on behalf of Oshun, our user group, and myself, and also the our user group coordinated by our speaker, that is, I think it's India our user group, right? Am I right?
Yes,
So,
I am running Kolkata result.
okay, so I want to appreciate you personally for taking your time to be here.
Thank you so much.
Speak with us.
Thank you so much.
Very much. And also, I want to appreciate everybody for taking your time to be here as well. So thank you, everybody. Thank you, and God bless you all.